My purse was gone. I looked everywhere. It was not there. That day started like any other day. I got my salary in cash. I put all the money in my purse. I was happy. I went to the market to buy fruit. The market was busy. There were many people. I walked to a fruit stand. I looked at the apples. They looked fresh and red. I wanted to buy some. How much? I asked the seller.
$5,
He said. I reached for my purse. My hand felt nothing. I looked down. My purse was gone. My heart started beating fast. Where was it? I looked around. I checked my pockets. Nothing. My purse is gone, I said to the seller. Someone took it. The seller looked at me. He pointed up.
I have a camera,
He said.
Let's look.
We watched the video. I saw myself looking at the fruit. Then I saw a man. He was standing behind me. His hand moved fast. He took my purse from my bag. Then he walked away. I felt angry, very angry. I ran outside. I looked everywhere. Where was he? Then I saw him. He was standing at a bus stop. He was waiting for the bus. I walked toward him. The bus came. He got on. I got on too. I sat next to him. My hands were shaking. Give me my purse back, I said. My voice was loud. He looked at me. He smiled. He reached into his jacket. He pulled out my purse. He gave it to me. I opened it. I looked inside. The money was gone. All of it. I started crying. I could not stop. That was my salary. I needed that money. The man looked at me. His smile was gone. He looked sad.
I'm sorry,
He said. He reached into his pocket. He pulled out the money. He gave it back to me.
Here,
He said.
take it.
I took the money. I did not say thank you. I was still angry. The bus stopped. I got off. Before I left, the man said something.
I'm Mark.
He said. I did not answer. I just walked away. Days passed. I needed to go to the market again. I was nervous. What if I saw him again? I walked to the fruit stand. I bought apples. Then I saw him. Mark. He was standing near the shop. He was wearing an apron. He worked there. He saw me. He smiled.
Hi,
He said.
do you want to get coffee sometime?
I looked at him. I could not believe it. No, I said. I don't date thieves. I walked away fast. But I saw him every time I went to the market. Every single time. He always smiled. He always asked me out. He was always nice.
Coffee?
He would ask. No, I would say. This happened every week. One day something changed. I looked at him. He worked a lot. He helped people in the shop. He was kind to everyone. Okay, I said. 1 coffee. He smiled big. We went for coffee. We talked. He told me about his life. He said he was sorry about the purse. He said he was not stealing anymore. He said he wanted to be better. I believed him. I don't know why, but I did. We started seeing each other. Now it is 9 months later. 9 months since that coffee. He works a lot. He is kind. He is funny. Sometimes I remember that day. I feel a little scared. I don't know if I made a good choice. He is different now. Do you think she made the right choice? Comment below. For more stories, subscribe to the channel. Lesson of the day. In cash. In cash means using money in coins or notes, not a card or phone. Examples from the story: I got my salary in cash. More examples. Do you want to pay in cash or by card? I paid for the apples in cash.